Hello, dear friends. So today we have very special guest on our expert talk section, Dr. Ganesh Jeevanandan sir. Now he will enlighten us today on Kido file system. This is basically a pediatric rotary file system that was invented by Sir. Sir is presently giving his valuable services to Savitha Dental College, one of the most reputed dental colleges in Chennai, as associate professor in the Department of Pediatric and Preventive Dentistry. Sir has invented the Kido molars that are the practice models for practicing the pediatric endodontics. We will have update on the Kido file system, how this file system should be used, why we need this file system, especially as there are different file systems available, how to use them. All these things will be enlightened by Sir. So today let's get an update directly from the Sir himself, and over to you, Sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Prabhav, for giving me an opportunity to talk about Kido file system. Your A to Z Kids Dental channel is doing really well. I am very happy to add this particular video about Kido rotary system. What exactly is there in this Kido files? So the people who are already using Kido files or people who wanted to start pediatric endodontics, here there is an idea about what is the system about, what are the different generations Kido files are available, and what file you wanted to choose. So first, there are 4 generations in Kido file system. The first generation is called Kido S, second generation is Kido SG, third generation is Kido SG Blue, and the fourth generation is Kido S Square. So when you take the first, second and third generation, you have 3 files in the system. The first file which you see is the red color file which has 0.25 tip which is called D1. The second file is a 0.30 tip which is blue coded. This is called E1, and the third file is called the U1 file which is 0.40 tip diameter. Now this red file is used for the narrower canals in primary molars. Now, how do you check whether the canals are narrower or wider? You take a 15 size K file, you place it inside the canal. If you have a snug fit, it means the canal is narrower. You can use the D1 file which is red color coded, and you can complete the biomechanical preparation. If you feel the 15 size file is loose fit, having a loose fit, you can use the blue color coded file and you can complete the biomechanical preparation in the molar tooth. When it comes to anterior, you will take a 25 size file, and if you see the 25 size file as a snug fit, you will use blue color in the anterior teeth. And if you find the 25 size file is having a loose fit, you can directly use the black color file or a black coded file which is 0.40 tip diameter. So these are the sequence which is there for Kido S, Kido SG and Kido SG Blue. Only difference between the first 3 generation is the material concept, wherein the Kido S is a plain nickel titanium file which has a shape memory capacity, whereas the SG is heat treated file. The nickel titanium has undergone heat treatment so that the flexibility is increased. Kido SG Blue is more advanced than Kido SG, wherein heat treatment as well as a titanium oxide is coated over the file. So the flexibility extremely more and the fracture resistance is less. So that easily the file will not fracture. When it comes to 4th generation, the 4th generation, we are very happy to introduce this 4th generation. We call it as a truly single file system for primary teeth. You go back, take your literature and check, there will be no file system for primary teeth which has a single file concept for doing a biomechanical preparation in primary teeth. So in this 4th generation, we have 2 files. The first file which is there in your left hand side which has a blue ring is called a P1 file, a posterior 1 file which is used for only molars. You will take a 15 size file, you will do a initial patency with 15 size file and take a blue file which is the P1, and you can complete the obturation in mesiobuccal, mesolingual as well as distal canal. When it comes to anterior teeth, you will take a 25 size file, do the initial patency and then complete it with the black color coded file. The black ring is there on your right hand side, right? In the Kido S Square generation, you can use that particular file and complete your biomechanical preparation. Now, what is the beauty of this Kido S Square is it has a dual cross section. What do I mean by dual cross section is a single file has a 2 cross section in it. In the apical region, it has a triangular cross section. In the coronal region, it has a teardrop cross section. So it will easily remove the pulpal tissue with minor enlargement in the molars as well as the anterior teeth. So when you talk about the taper concept, what does the Kedophile consist of, the taper? We call it the taper as VV taper. I repeat, it is VV taper. The meaning of VV is variably variable taper. So that is the unique nature of this particular Kedophiles. None other system has this particular taper, and this particular concept is patented. So VV taper means, the variably variable taper means every of the file has a different taper which is matched with the root canal morphology of the primary teeth, so that the preparation is easy without any lateral perforation. At the same time, coronally it enlarges more so that your obturating material flows easily inside the canal. The concept of this particular Kedo system is, apically it will prepare less, coronally it will widen so that your material can easily flow into. This will avoid the lateral perforation which is happening with the adult file system which is already existing. That is the beauty of this particular Kedophile system. So what is the taper? The taper between 4 to 8%, anywhere between 4 to 8% is there in each file. Every it can be 4% at particular point, it can be a 6% in the second point, again and come back to 4%. So it has a variably variable taper file. So that is the system which is available. You can see the color coding which is there for different generation. The first file which is red color, right? That is plain nickel titanium file. You can see that silver color coded. The second file is a heat treated file which is the SG generation. So you can see that golden color. The third file is the SG blue. It has a titanium oxide coated. You can see that picture, it is control, it has a control memory. Once you bend the file, it doesn't come back to its original position. That's called control memory. The fourth generation is this particular S square. Again, it has a blue technology. It's a single file system. You can see the flexibility of the file. If people often ask me, sir, to how many times or how many molars are I can use these files. The Kedo S generation, which is the first generation, can be used for 4 molars or 4 anteriors. The second generation can be used for 8 molars or 8 anteriors. The third generation, which is Kedo SG blue, can be used for 12 molars or 12 anteriors. The fourth generation, which is the Kedo S square, can be used for 12 molars, both molars as well as the anteriors. So that's about the Kedophile system which is available in the market. Thank you so much. If you have any queries about this particular file system, please send a message to this particular channel. We are there to help you. We'll definitely clear all your doubts. Any point of time you wanted to do a research with Kedophiles, or you wanted to have any clinical tips regarding Kedophiles, just send a message via channel so that I can definitely get back to you. Thank you.